Welcome back. Nananatiling hari ng one lightweight division ng Filipino fighter na si Edward Landslide Folayang matapos ang kanyang successful title defense sa One Kings of Destiny nung nakaraang buwan. Na-dominate ni Folayang ang laban nila ni Evting ng Malaysia.
Kaya naman makakasama natin ngayong gabi si Folayang, pati na rin ang iba pang patuloy na nagtatayo ng bandera ng MMA tulad ng Team Lakay fighter na si Jehe Gravity Estacio at ang one female atomweight fighter na si Gina Conviction Inyong. Team Lakay, welcome to The Score.
Yes.
Maraming salamat sa pagdating ninyo. Pero Ed, gusto ko munang simulan sa'yo. Kamusta ba muna yung naging preparation mo towards your fight pupunta kay Evting?
Unang-una sa lahat, magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga televiewers natin. Maganda naman yung naging preparations namin. Unang-una, tinignan namin kung ano yung magiging game plan niya. And of course, naghanda kami dun sa tamang game plan na ika-counter namin dun sa gagawin niya. And naging successful naman yung the way we see kung ano yung mga gusto niyang gawin dun sa laban.
At Migs, nakikita natin yung one lightweight championship belt ni Edward na nadepensahan niya kontra kay Evting sa Mall of Asia. Ed, it was a big night, lalo na sa Philippine Mixed Martial Arts. Maraming mga personalities na pumunta at nanood ng laban nyo ni Gina. Manny Pacquiao was there at sinabi niya first time niya manood ng MMA fight. So ano yung feeling na nandun si Pacquiao, nandun lahat ng mga kababayan natin cheering you on in that fight in Philippine soil?
Masayang-masaya, although syempre iniisip ko kailangan ibibigay ko yung best ko doon. Kasi yung palagi kong pinapanood sa TV, ngayon siya na yung nanonood naman sa akin. So I'm really excited na i-showcase yung skill na binigay ng Panginoon sa akin. And of course, ayaw kong ma-disappoint yung mga kababayan natin na talagang yung iba talagang nagbiyahe pa. They beat all the odds of traffic to witness how we will be able to perform with my teammates.
That was a successful event sa Mall of Asia Arena, Anton. Para kay Gina at nanalo siya ng unanimous decision win against Natalie Gonzalez in that fight. Gina, gaano ba ka-importante ang dedication and hard work para syempre makapanalo ng mga fights tulad nito?
Napaka-importante po yun sa akin kasi yun po yung unang laban ko sa One Championship at nagpapasalamat din po ako sa One Championship dahil binigyan ako ng pagkakataon na sumali sa One Championship at talagang pinaghandaan namin yung training namin at maganda naman po yung kinalabasan.
Gina, balita ko nung ikaw ay bata pa, hindi mo naman pinangarap na maging isang MMA fighter. In fact, ang pangarap mo, maging isang police officer. So ano yung feeling na you went into MMA, nag-debut ka sa One Championship, tapos yung nakalaban mo pa, si Natalie, hindi biro. So ano yung pakiramdam inside the cage, fighting in front of our kababayans?
Doon po sa lagout, kinakabahan, pero nung nandun na po ako sa loob, tapos nag-start na po, nawala na po yung kaba ko. At masaya-masaya na po ako dahil nanalo po ako ng laban.
At ang isa pang miyembro, Anton, ng Team Lakay na si Jehe Estacio, hindi siya nag-compete nung One Kings of Destiny, pero he's very excited to compete in May sa Singapore. Pero hindi nga lang pinala, Jehe, nung last fight mo. Pero syempre ngayon, you've had enough preparation, mga ilang buwan din na nag-prepare ka para sa fight mo next month. Ano bang may expect natin para sa performance mo sa susunod mong laban?
Itong competition na pinaghahandaan namin this coming May 26 sa Singapore is actually a rematch between the two of us. We fought before sa, if I'm not mistaken, Mall of Asia, and it's a split decision. I'm sorry to tell you that I lost that fight, pero that was way back to 2015, and 2017 is actually a long time for me to review myself. And of course, I believe na 2017 is different from 2015. I developed a lot in my MMA career, mapa-ground, striking, and wrestling. And we will bring the best game plan this coming May 26.
Alam mo, Migs, mga kapamilya, patuloy na sumisikat ang MMA dito sa Pilipinas. And it's because of guys like Edward Folayang, Gina, and Jehe. Jehe, I want to ask you, what's it like training in the gym with Team Lakay fighters na katulad ni Edward, katulad ni Gina, is that extra motivation na kailangan you have to be at their level?
Doon kasi sa amin, ganito, we train as one family. Yun ang maganda sa team na to, which makes it a solid team. Which makes it the best in Asia, which makes it the best in the Philippines. We motivate each and everyone. We push them to go to their limits and become the best. So basically, pag ganitong mga tao ang kasama mo sa gym, ka-training mo, there's no reason, there's no doubt na magiging katulad ka rin nila.
Talagang inspired ang Team Lakay, syempre, Anton, with uprising fighters like Ed and Gina and Jehe. Pero para naman sa iyo, Gina, napaka-importante nitong win na to against Natalie Gonzalez. Tingin mo ba naka-inspire ka ng maraming kababaihan na sumabak rin sa MMA at paano mo ito napopromote at paano mo ito, yung hard work mo at dedication mo, paano mo ito ay babahagi sa mga kapwa mo kababaihan na gustong sumabak rin sa MMA?
Opo, kasi ako yung unang babaeng lumaban sa MMA at noon pa po, wala pa pong MMA, kaya alam ko ako rin, isa rin po ako sa nag-inspire sa mga ibang MMA fighter na mag-join din po sila.
Speaking of MMA as a whole, kasi dati hindi naman masyadong sikat ang MMA dito sa Pilipinas, but because of the likes of Edward, Team Lakay, and all the other MMA fighters out there, mas nakikilala na ng sambayan ng Pilipino ang MMA. Now, Edward, I want to ask you, how has your life changed after winning against Shinya Aoki, after winning against Evting? Kasi may mga naririnig ako, next Pacquiao. I heard comments as far as that, ha?
Ako rin,
next
ako rin.
Pacquiao. So,
yes.
Paano nagbago ang buhay ni Edward Folayang after that big win against Shinya Aoki?
Maraming nagbago. Siyempre, unang-una, yung bigat ng responsibility na yung ihahalin tulad ka kay Manny Pacquiao. Of course, that is hard to comprehend. Pero, alam mo yun, it means the sport is really growing. And the more people that talks about it, the more na nai-spread yung consciousness nila sa MMA. So, maraming pagbabago, and it makes me more busy. And I need to be more responsible, and mas maganda sana yung the way I manage it. Kasi, of course, maraming expectation na nanggagaling sa mga kababayan mo, and as a champion, you need to do your part. You need to balance your time and your training, and I think that's one of the best thing to do para mas ma-maintain pa yung pagiging champion natin.
Well, Edward, Gina, Jehe, thank you so much for coming here to The Score. Jehe, good luck sa iyong nalalapit na laban. Edward and Gina, thank you so much again, and good luck the rest of the way as well. Team Lakay on The Score.
Thank you, Team Lakay.
Thank you, Anton.
Hi guys, keep watching The Score for the latest sports updates, and don't forget to subscribe to the ABS-CBN Sports in Action YouTube channel.